Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today's tutorial, I wanted to show you how to get this holiday look right here by getting ready with me for today as I go Christmas tree shopping. So if you'd like to see how to get this look right here, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Alright, so let's get right into the video. And also, by the way, if you hear the heat going off here and there throughout the video, I do apologize, but I can't really control it from where I am. And also, it is pretty chilly here in New York City, so I do appreciate the heat coming on here and there. So sorry, but not sorry. So let's get right into the tutorial. So as I previously stated, this will be a holiday makeup look, and I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Soft Glam palettes. I've already started my face. I've already done my face as well as my brows, so I'm going to get right into the eyes. So to start off, I'm going to actually be using the brush that comes in this palette. I'm going to start off with the Dusty Rose color right here, and this is actually one of my favorite lipsticks by Anastasia Beverly Hills, is the Dusty Rose. So I'm going to just pick up the brush and take the fluffier side and go right into the Dusty Rose, taking off the excess. I'm going to place that right into my crease, right here, and just windshield wiper motions back and forth. Yeah, this is where you can really define your crease. If you want to make your crease higher or lower, you can do that now as well, just by placing the brush there and just making those back and forth windshield wiper motions. Now, so further define this color, I'm taking the same side of the brush, and I'm going to be going into the color Sienna. It's this beautiful color right here. I'm going to do the same exact process, take some onto the brush, place it right at the same spot, but a little lower, and again, back and forth motions. Okay, and you want to blend back and forth until the color is really nicely blended out. To further blend that out, I'm going to take that same brush, I'm going to just wipe it off on a napkin really quickly. Just make sure there's no more excess powder onto there. And I'm going to go in circular motions. And I'm going to blend upward onto my brow bone. And in circular motions just like this. Just blending upward and outward. And then here I'm going to just bring this out. And just feather it out just like that. So you can see the difference between this one and this one. This one's a lot more blended out, and this one's just on there. So, which is fine, but now we just want to blend it out. So again, same process, circular motions. Up into the brow bone. And then blend this all the way out. And it's okay if you, like I'm doing right now, blending it all the way out. Because remember, all here we're going to kind of bronze. So it's going to blend right and actually going to look a lot nicer. Okay, so now that that is all blended out, I'm going to actually go in with this mulberry color right here. So pretty. It just screams holiday to me. It screams cranberry sauce, it screams holiday. I just love it. So I'm going to take the other side of the brush, the much smaller side, and I'm going to just take a little bit of mulberry, tapping off the excess once again, and I'm going to apply that right onto the outer V of the eye. So the outer edge right here and onto the outer V. I'm going to create like a V right at the edge of the eye. Okay, right there. So I'm just going to really make sure that it's nice and deep in color right there. So pretty. And then you can go with the other side and just blend it out. So this look is great because you don't need a lot of brushes, just the one that it comes with. I'm going to go into the color Sultry, which is this color right over here. It's so pretty. So I'm going to actually take that color with the same side of that brush, take just a bit of that color, and I'm going to pack it right on top of the outer V. Right here. So just at the outer corner, I'm just packing it on. Okay, so just dabbing motions. Okay, super pretty. And then in the middle of my eye, or the center I should say, I'm going to take this color right here, Bronze. It is so gorgeous, and it's really going to tie this whole look together. It's such a pretty color. So I'm also going to take that one on the same side of the brush, just flipping it over to the other side. And I'm going to apply this right onto here, tapping off the excess again, and apply it right onto the center. So pretty. Love it. Okay, so applying it to the center and bringing it into the interior duct as well. Just like that. Okay, so right now I'm just applying it onto the eye, and then I'm going to blend it out in just a minute. So again, just dabbing motions. Just applying it onto the eye and bringing it into the inner tear duct of the eye as well. Right into the middle, and right into the inner part of the eye. Actually, I want to take the color Sienna. I'm going to go right underneath my lower lash line, just to start off lightly, and just sweep it across. Just like that. Here again, Sienna, right under my lower lash line. Across. And this part is optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I feel like it just ties the whole look together. This is the Dior mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Dior Blackout mascara. And I'm going to apply it into my lashes. I do have some lash extensions left. As you can see, lots of them did fall out. I'm going to get them refilled for my birthday soon. But for right now, I'm going to just apply a little coat of this, and it should be good to go. And now to bronze on my face, I'm going to be using also one of my favorite bronzers. This is Bikini Contest. This is by Wet n Wild. As you can see, it is very, very well loved, but it is a really good bronzer, especially for my skin tone. So if you do have skin tone like me, this one will really work. So I'm just going to take it on a nice big old brush, tapping off the excess, and just bronze it up my face. So again, I'm taking it onto my cheeks right here. I'm taking it down, connecting it with the outer edge of my eye. See what we pulled together out here before? It's now being combined with the bronzer, so it's perfect. I'm super excited today because I'm actually getting ready to go tree shopping. So I'm the type of person that I love a real tree. So I know some of you may be like, why? Like, why don't you just get a fake one? But it's always been my thing since I was young, and I'm super excited because me and my dad are going to pick one up today. It's been tradition since I was little, so super excited. What do you guys do for Christmas or for the holidays? Do you get a tree? Do you not get a tree? Do you care if it's a real? Do you just want to fake one and just like put it up, don't have to water it, don't have to think about it, just leave it there? What do you thought? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. This is the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow. This is in the color Hustla Baby. It is so pretty, this color. I really love it. It's just like a diamond kind of dusting on the face. It's gorgeous. So I'm taking that same brush, I'm taking it and I'm tapping off the excess, and I'm just applying it right into the high point of my face. So right here and going right above my eyebrow. So again, right above, and you can see it's so pretty. It's just like I said, it's just like a diamond dusting. It's gorgeous. Just like this again, and right over top, and right over here, on the highest point of your cheekbone, and right over top. And then I'm gonna go just a bit on your nose and right on my cupid's bow. Now to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and this is in the color it's Arena, I guess, maybe? Oh, Adonite. I don't know, it's not labeled really properly. I think it's Adonite. This is the color right here. It's super pretty though. I have this one in a red color and I love it. So I went back to the drugstore and got another one. I'm actually going to be doing a beauty favorites video in just a little while. So definitely stay tuned for that because that's going to be coming super soon. And to finish off the lips and add just a little pop of something more, just a little gloss and oomph, I want to add the Fenty Beauty. This is in the Fenty Glow. This is their gloss. It's so pretty. It literally looks beautiful on every skin type, every skin tone. It is gorgeous. So I'm going to just use this as a topper. I did a pretty dome for that here as well. So I'm going to apply this right over top. I feel like these two colors together look really pretty. I haven't done this combo yet before. I really like it. This is the Smashbox Primer Water. This is right here. Okay, and this is the final result. I want to thank you guys so much for getting ready with me and preparing this holiday look. I hope that you do enjoy this look and can apply it to your holiday festivities. This look I feel isn't super hard to do. You're just using one palette, one brush that comes with the palette, and just a few other products just to kind of oomph the look. You can switch it out. You can do a different lip. You can do a different face makeup if you would like to. You can really glam it up more and add a lot more highlight or tone it down as well. Whatever your preference is, this is a super easy holiday look that you can do for any occasion that you're going to. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a big thumbs up. It'll really help to support my channel. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.